You're gonna break your toy. At least Smokes, you're a smart baby. You're gonna bust off your toy because you're so strong.
Like me. For lunch. You mean birds eat armadillos? Some of the large ones do. That's why I rolled into a ball. Keep me out of trouble. Well, you certainly surprised us, Fruity. How fast you can run, even under
Don't break it off, Saint.
water.
Don't scream at it too, because you're small. Oh, Madge.
I just scrunch my body together.
Why is he mad?
Because he wants to rip off his toy. He needs anger management.